Gifty is comfortably above dotted lines. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty bulls are likely to retain their optimistic approach on backdrop of two big positive catalysts. 1. WTI oil prices tumble towards $56.70 a barrel. 2. FIIs resuming buying. FIIs in last 13 trading days have bought worth Rs 40,623 crores. That said, the street will keep a close eye on 1. Global trade tariff progress. 2. Rising tensions between India and Pakistan. 3. The upcoming Federal Reserve decision to trickle in on Wednesday, 7th May. Technically speaking, Nifty bulls aggressive targets now seen at 24,858 mark, high as on 5th December 2024. Long story short, Nifty is likely to hold the bullish tone through the close. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 498 crores, while 2 DII net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2789 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a constructive rebound play. Fannie Mae month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has inched higher towards 18.33 levels. At last check, USD INR 28th May was hovering at 84.42. Nifty PCR 29th May is at 1.38 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 29th May is at 0.89. Nifty outlook up again for benchmark Nifty. The Gyan Mantra, make hay while the sun shines. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,461. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 24,311 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,860 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,350 and 24,600. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54,920. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,175 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 55,691 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,400 and 55,400. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The good news, Nifty is poised for another positive day as the worst of the trade tariff fears seems behind us, and most importantly, the backdrop is of a resilient underlying economy. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. Adani Group stocks were in limelight and star outperformers in yesterday's trade after a report said the company representatives met officials from US President Donald Trump's administration to seek dismissal of the criminal charges against Gautam Adani. Adani Enterprises, plus 7%, zoomed 7%, while Adani Ports flared up 6.31%. 2. M&M was up plus 3.26% after it reported 22% rise in standalone profit after tax, PAT, came at Rs 2,437 crore for the fourth quarter of the financial year 2024-25, from Rs 2,000 crore reported during the same period last year. 3. Tata Motors, plus 2%, was in focus after the company's luxury car unit Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, may have started exports to the United States. 4. Swiggy's stock price surged 13%, its biggest single-day gain since listing after the firm announced that it had expanded its quick food delivery services, Bolt, to over 500 cities. The announcement came just a day after its peer Eternal shut down its Zomato Quick service, stating that it does not see a path to profitability. Corporate India's Q4 earnings to trickle in on Tuesday, 6th May. Bank of Baroda, CG Power, Godrej Consumers, HPCL, Kajaria Ceramic, MGL, Paytm, PEL, Polycab, Quick Heal.